IISc had built significant expertise in the domain of communication networking, computer networking, in Wi-Fi, in wireless sensor networks, particularly in the departments of the Electrical Communication Engineering and the Robert Bosch Center for Psychophysical Systems. Similarly, Cisco has significant amount of expertise. They are a world leader in computer networking and routing and switches and activity and things like that, and security as well.
Cisco and Indian Institute of Science have set up a Center for Networked Intelligence at IISc. This is a significant milestone for Cisco and is an example of academia and industry collaboration.
So the goals of the center were, well, we now have expertise in how to build sensor networks, in how to build ways and means by which we can connect these various entities that create data and store data. But we noticed that there was a problem related to identifying or creating actionable, useful and actionable knowledge. So the focus of the center was towards gathering this data, but in addition creating actionable and useful knowledge. That means that the center was going to look at creating a knowledge stack.
So the center has undertaken a broad spectrum of activities spanning from research to teaching. In research, we have started looking at 3 projects to begin with. One is a project on data center networks and another one on ultra reliable low latency communication, URLLC, to enable control over networks. This year in particular, we got involved in COVID related activities, COVID modeling, COVID intervention studies, and we spent significant energy in that part. Going forward, we will continue our focus on these 2 threads in research and add more threads to the research as well. In particular, one thread I would like to highlight, which I am directly involved in, is the URLLC thread, where we are after a very well-defined objective to develop networks which can be used to control things like vehicles. In particular, we are looking at remote driving, where our goal is to drive a car by looking at the video feed coming from the car. And then a remote operator takes action based on that video feed and applies brakes, steers the car around. And this has to be done all in real time, and it requires a network which can cover the entire region and can communicate these decisions in real time.
Data center networks, which are used in hyperscale data centers of cloud service providers, are unique in the sense that they are at larger scale, and we want to develop algorithms to address the performance bottlenecks in these networks. To do that, we are also planning to build a test bed where we will be emulating large data centers using the state-of-the-art equipment, and on those networks we'll perform telemetry equipment and develop algorithms to solve the bottlenecks.
So the center, I feel, has been rather effective in its effort towards developing intellectual capital. There are multiple fronts on which we are trying this. First and foremost, we offer a very attractive scholarship program for both PhD and MTech students, and we ensure that the students that are selected for this program are top-notch and they are working on problems relevant to networks, specifically control over networks.
There is a Cisco lab that is being set up at IISc. This lab consists of Cisco networking equipment and SDN controller. This lab can be used along with the courses that are being taught at IISc in the area of networking, and can be beneficial for the master's and PhD thesis topics of IISc students, where there is an experimentation aspect that is required. Secondly, IISc faculty are also planning to use this network lab for some of the research on forward-looking topics in the areas of data center networking, 5G and self-driving cars.
So the courses on systems that are taught here need to be augmented by hands-on lab experiments. And the problem with systems-oriented courses and labs for those is that the experiments require privileged access, which is difficult to provide in an online world. Our intent here is to develop a online lab environment where we could provide them access to a realistic lab testbed where they could run the commands and run analysis to improve their learning.
Another key focus at the center is to be able to generate and train experts in this domain so that we have enough number of experts in this domain that can build solutions to the problems that we will foresee in the future.